your maintenance calories and what is TDEE? TDEE. TDEE is total daily energy expenditure and consists of your BMR, physical activity, and thermic effect of food. So your BMR is your basal metabolic rate, the energy your body needs to keep you alive. That is very roughly said. And your physical activity is the energy you spend for exercising and your overall activity throughout the day, or NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which is all the steps you're taking throughout the day, all the fidgeting, the mimic, the gestures, everything that makes you move but is not exercise. And the thermic effect of food is about 10%. It's actually the energy your body needs to burn the food you consume. The thermic effect of food is different when it comes to protein, carbs and fats, and protein has highest thermic effect of food compared to carbs and fat has the lowest thermic effect of food. If you would like to nail your daily calorie intake to start losing weight or gaining some muscle, you can watch my video on this topic, or you can just go to my next video where I share how you can create a calorie deficit.